Hello everyone, welcome to this video. One of the problems that we may encounter in dividing polynomials is finding the remainder. Do you know that there is a shortcut way of finding or determining the remainder if a polynomial is divided by a binomial without using the long division method or the synthetic division? And that is using the remainder theorem. Let us consider this statement. If a polynomial p of x is divided by a binomial x minus a, the remainder obtained is p of a. This p of x is our given polynomial in the variable x. Observe that our binomial is in the form of x minus a, where a is a constant or any number. As you will observe in the statement, the remainder obtained is p of a. I would like you to observe this p of a in relation to p of x. As you will observe, the variable x here in our p of x is being replaced with a. And what is that a? That is the opposite of the constant divisor in our binomial divisor. Now, to illustrate this remainder theorem, let us consider our example here. Suppose we have a given polynomial p of x, x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10, and this polynomial is divided by x minus 2. The question is, what is the remainder? So, to find the remainder or to determine the remainder, we can use this theorem. So, how are we going to use that? So, first, you take the opposite of your constant divisor, negative 2. And what's the opposite of negative 2? That is positive 2. And that will be your a, positive 2. Now, using this constant 2, we will now replace this x here in our p of x by this constant 2. So, we will have p of 2. So, what does it mean? We will evaluate our given polynomial with this constant 2. So, what does it mean? All the variable x's here in our given polynomial will be replaced by this 2 constant and perform the operations. Okay, let's do it. So we have here x. Our x is now replaced by 2. So this will become 2 cubed minus 4 times, again your x is 2, 2 squared minus 7 times, again x is 2, plus 10. Okay, after substituting x's with this 2, let's perform the operation. So we have 2 cubed. 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 8. Remember, you're not going to multiply 2 by 3. 2 cubed means you multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Minus 4 square 2. So, 2 squared, it's 2 times 2, that is 4. Okay? Minus 7 times 2 plus 10. Okay, let's continue. So, 8 minus 4 times 4, that is 16, minus 7 times 2, that is 14, plus 10. So, let's simplify this further. and that is our P of 2. So what is it? 8 minus 16. That is negative 8 minus 14 plus 10. Okay, let's continue. That is what? Negative 8 minus 14 is negative 22. Right? Plus 10. So what is now our P of 2? Negative 22 plus 10, that is negative 12. Unlike sign, so that's why we subtract. So therefore, our P of 2 is negative 12. What does it mean? This P of 2, and that's our P of A by definition, that will be our remainder. Okay. So in other words, if you will divide this our P of x, x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10 by this binomial x minus 2, the remainder will be negative 12. You may check it. You may use long division method or synthetic division and see if the remainder is really negative 12. And I assure you, the remainder is negative 12. And that is the remainder theorem.